Imagine yourself in this Ram 2019 2500 Laramie. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: transmission 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, chrome accent shift knob, monotone paint, blind spot and cross-path detection included, power chrome tow mirrors with convex spotter and memory mirror mounted reverse lamps, exterior mirrors with memory power adjustable convex mirrors, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, black leather trimmed bucket seats included, bucket seats high back seats number 1 seat foam cushion folding flood load floor storage full length upgraded floor console, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, area, dual 730 amp maintenance free batteries Cummins turbo diesel badge heavy duty engine cooling supplemental heater Ram active air 220 amp alternator tow hooks diesel